Perfecting a security interest under the Uniform Commercial Code (UCC) is a crucial step in the process of establishing a creditor's rights to a debtor's personal property in the event of default. Perfecting the security interest involves taking certain legal steps to give notice to the public and other interested parties about the creditor's claim on the collateral. The primary purpose of perfection is to establish the priority of the creditor's interest over competing claims from other creditors. Here's a step-by-step explanation of perfecting a security interest under the UCC. Creation of the security interest. Before perfecting a security interest, there must be a valid security agreement between the debtor, the borrower, and the secured party, the lender or creditor. This agreement provides the lender with a security interest in specific collateral as a form of assurance for the repayment of a debt or performance of an obligation. Identification of collateral. The security agreement must clearly identify the collateral against which the security interest is claimed. This could include inventory, equipment, accounts receivable, or other personal property. Filing a financing statement UCC-1 to perfect the security interest. The secured party files a UCC-1 financing statement with the appropriate state office, usually the Secretary of State. The financing statement includes information about the debtor, the secured party, and a description of the collateral. Contents of the financing statement. The UCC-1 financing statement typically includes details such as the names and addresses of the debtor and secured party, a description of the collateral, and any other required information specified by the UCC. Filing location. The filing must occur in the state where the debtor is located. For an individual debtor, the location is usually their principal residence. And for a business debtor, it is typically the location of their chief executive office. Public notice. By filing the financing statement, the secured party provides public notice of their interest in the collateral. This serves to inform other potential creditors and interested parties about the existing security interest. Priority of claims. The filing establishes the priority of the secured party's claim over later claims by other creditors. In case of competing claims, the first to perfect generally has a higher priority. Duration of perfection. A UCC-1 financing statement is effective for a limited period, usually 5 years. To maintain the perfection of the security interest beyond this period, the secured party must file a continuation statement before the expiration date. Renewal and amendments. The secured party may need to renew the financing statement or file amendments if there are changes to the information contained in the original filing, such as a change in the debtor's name or a modification of the collateral description. In summary, perfecting a security interest under the UCC involves filing a UCC-1 financing statement to publicly declare the secured party's interest in specific collateral. This process helps establish the priority of the creditor's claim and provides notice to other potential creditors. It is a critical step in securing the rights of the creditor in the event of default by the debtor.